Hello class 7. In this video I will be solving some exercises from the chapter sentences. So follow the class properly. Students, please look at the board. Here I have given some exercises from the sentences. So what you have to do, you have to state the kinds of sentences. That means some sentences will be there and you have to find out which kind of sentence is that. So the first one I have written here, we have won the match. We have won the match. It is just an assertive sentence. How do we understand? We have won the match. It is just an asserting something. Through this sentence, we can assert something. We can give one statement. Okay. So when we are giving the statement or when we are asserting something, that means it is an assertive sentence. So it should be an assertive sentence. Number 2, Romy plays football. It is also an assertive sentence. Why? Because Romy plays football. This is also declaring something. What? That Romy plays football. It is the sentence here we are asserting something. So it is also assertive sentence. Number 3, did you go to market yesterday? And here I have given one interrogation mark. Okay, so here it will be interrogative sentences. At the how do you find out that it should be interrogative sentence? First you will see that whether it is having one interrogation mark at the end or not. Okay, so we have one interrogation mark, and another thing that this sentence should be started with one verb. Here it is did. So it should be interrogative sentence. We are asking something. Did you go to market yesterday? So through this sentence we can ask something. So it should be interrogative sentence. Next one, how old are you? How old are you? It is also interrogative sentence. See, with that there is the last, here is a one interrogation mark, and here WH word is there. The sentence with WH word or the question, or the verb, it should be the interrogative sentence. So it should be interrogative sentence. How old are you? We are questioning something. Okay. Next one, that is written get out. Get out, it means it is an imperative sentence. Imperative of order. We are ordering something. And in this kind of sentence, you see, there is no such subject. Okay. Subject is there, but it is not directly seen. So here with this sentence imperative get out, so you can see that there is no subject. Okay, so here subject is there but it is implied. That means it is hidden. You get out, but we are not saying in this manner. So we are saying just get out. The verb should be there and the object. So it should be imperative. Through this sentence we can feel that there is a sense of order or command. So it should be an imperative sentence. Now number 6 is there. I have written may you prosper. Okay. So may you prosper, with this sentence you can understand very well that this should be optative sentence. Optative sentence, you know this through this optative sentence we can say that when we are a sentence that expresses wish or a prayer. Okay, wish or a prayer. So this should be that optative sentence. So through this sentence you can understand very well may you prosper. It is a wish. So it should be optative sentence. May you be happy. Same thing, that it is also having the sense of wish. So it should be also optative sentence. And with these sentences, optative sentences, you will see that this word may must be there. Okay, so it is also very easy to find out. If you get a may a sentence which is having the may at the first, which is having the word may at the first. So it is very clear that it should be the optative sentence. Okay. And it should have the sense of either a prayer or the wish. Now, number 8. What a fool I am. What a fool I am. Here, it should be that exclamation mark. It should be that exclamation mark. And what a fool I am. Here, it is an exclamatory sentence. Why? Because here you can see that it is a sense of emotion, okay, or emotion or sudden feeling. So it should be that exclamatory. Now, next one, hooray, we have won the match. It is also exclamatory sentence. Here you can see that exclamation mark. And why it is an exclamatory sentence? Because here it is also a feeling, sudden feeling of joy. For what? For winning the match. So it should be the exclamatory sentence. Now, next one, number 10. Please give me your dictionary. So, please give me your dictionary. It is an imperative sentence of request. Why? When you see that this word please is there, so it should be that imperative of request. Please give me your dictionary. Here it is, you can see there is no subject such as you give me your dictionary is not written here. It is subject is implied and subject is hidden here. So please give me your dictionary. It is a sense of request, so it should be imperative sentence. Number 11, obey your parents. Obey your parents. In this sentence, you can see there is no subject such as. So, and it is having one sense. What kind of sense it is having? It is having a sense of advice. So, obey your parents. It should be imperative sentence. I am writing a letter. This is assertive sentence. Okay. So, I am writing a letter. It is asserting something. It is declaring something. So, it is assertive sentence. Number 13, how happy we are here. And after that, it is having one exclamation mark. How happy we are here. It is expressing sudden feeling of happiness. So, it should be exclamatory sentence. Number 14, may God be always with you. May God be always with you. This sentence is having one sense of wish. So, it is optative sentence. May God be always with you. And starting with the word may. Next one, Tom is fond of milk. Tom is fond of milk. It is stating something. Through this sentence, we can understand it is declaring something about Tom. So, it should be assertive sentence. 16. Do not run in the sun. It is imperative sentence. Why? Because it is having a sense of advice. So, do not run in the sun. Here you can see it also that there is no subject written here. It is hidden. The subject is hidden, implied. So, it should be imperative sentence. Okay. Imperative of advice. Number 17. Am I playing now? Am I playing now? After that, a question mark. And am I playing now? With the sentence, it is the first word is am. It is a be verb. And at the first it is verb and then the subject. So, it should be the interrogative sentence. Questioning. Am I playing now? The question is here. So, it is interrogative sentence. Number 18. I love to eat fish. It is asserting something. It is declaring something. So, it is assertive sentence. Now, next one, number 19, come here. Come here, it is having a sense of command. Okay, so it should be imperative sentence. Again, you can see that there is no subject written here. You come here. It is you is implied, so it should be imperative sentence. Number 20, stop talking. Stop talking, again it should be imperative sentence, imperative of command. So stop talking, here also you can see there is no subject written here. It is implies, it is hidden, so it should be imperative sentence.